Today we want to learn together how to create an Apple ID, so stay with us until the end of the video. Hello friends, my name is Sarah, and today we are going to teach you how to create an Apple ID for free and without headache. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and activate the bell, and if you like this video, like it. Let's go to the tutorial.
First, we need the iTunes program, which is available for all operating systems. Open the program and click on the account and select the Sign In option. Then we click on the option to create a new account. Now we have to fill this form completely based on the information it needs. But I use fake information for training, but you enter the real information. I receive a temporary fake email from this site, but please enter your original email. In the password field, you must use numbers, small letters, capital letters, and symbols like at #/. Now you have to enter your name, surname and date of birth in the first part and answer the questions in the bottom part, and try to remember that if you forget the password, you can log in using these questions and the answers you give. In this section, I don't have a card for any reason and I choose none. Now, in this episode again, I use fake information for the sake of education. Now I wait for the code to be sent to my email. My account was created and now I can access all Apple programs.